According to the connection end of optical fiber type, selection using 250 sets of lines. Miller 0.9 mm clamp stripped optical fiber coating. Check and clean the fiber. Fiber card into the cold catching guide rail bar. Left 0.9 mm card slot. Cutting 0.9 mm bare fiber. Length 13 mm. From the 0.9 mm optical fiber end is inserted into the 0.9 mm optical fiber. Optical fiber insertion end. Push on, push pipe. Miller 0.25 mm clamp stripped optical fiber coating. Clean with alcohol fiber. Fiber card into the cold catching guide. The right 0.25 card slot. Cutting 0.25 mm bare fiber. Length 11.5 mm. From the 0.25 mm optical fiber end is inserted into the 0.25 mm optical fiber. Optical fiber insertion end. Push on, push pipe. Pressing cover, complete connection. Below is a decomposition demonstration. Force upward opening cover.